wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best earwax removal kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Designed specifically for use with kids or anyone with sensitive ears, Naveh Pharma Cleanears doesn't use any powerful solvents, but instead relies on natural oils and a common emollient called phytosqualane to safely and comfortably loosen excess wax. It contains spearmint oil for a clean feeling and also helps with itchiness. However, it doesn't remove large blockages. At number 5, a gentle choice, the drops with the squip kyrosol consist of just water, glycerin and baking soda. So while it may take some time lying on your side for this to work, it won't cause any irritation or dryness. A syringe controls the flow and it includes a pair of flanged earplugs, but it's not for serious impactions. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Designed for use with water or saline, the flents acu-life has a flared tip on the syringe, so you can't push it in too deep. The spray flows outward to the ear canal wall, so your eardrum won't be directly hit. It's safe to use regularly and can help prevent swimmer's ear. However, it may require several tries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earwax removal kits, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. The Bionix otoclear is expensive, but it offers pulsed irrigation, a higher volume of water than most, and 2 intensity settings. And if you buy a water pick tip for it, you can also use it to clean your gum line. It features a rechargeable battery and includes 40 single-use tips. It produces little to no backsplash. At number 2, the Earwax MD consists of a microfoaming mixture of safe chemicals supplemented by a bulb with enough volume to help flush out loosened material. It works in less than half an hour and also targets oils and dead skin buildup. It causes no irritation. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If the standard warm water treatment isn't getting the job done for you, debrox drops may be what you need to help the process along. It's made of an oxidizing solution that softens wax but won't dry out the ear canal like hydrogen peroxide will. It's recommended by doctors and breaks down tough deposits. It comes with a rubber bulb syringe. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earwax removal kits, or simply click beneath this video.